Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm talking about on how you can find the music that you listen to the most on Spotify. Now, so Spotify uses an algorithm, and that algorithm basically makes playlists for you. As you can see, this is my Discover Weekly. This is made for Sanity, it's not made by. So Spotify made this playlist for me. They keep changing this every week depending on the type of music I like. They also try to give me those type of music. So since Spotify uses this algorithm, it's also pretty simple to find your top music as well. So all you want to do is go to your home. Once you're in your home page, you just want to scroll down a bit, and then you can see uniquely yours. So these are uniquely yours. These are completely yours, and you can see on repeat means songs you love right now, the songs that I'm listening to 24/7, the songs I used to listen to before. Like, these are the songs I used to listen to a lot before. I listen to this sometimes, not that much anymore, honestly. So if I go to on repeat, and this song, yeah, KK Slide, I listen to this a lot. This one and this one, these two songs, I keep this on repeat. Like, if my phone is on and I'm listening to music, these two songs will be the first one I listen to. So it's pretty much accurate from Spotify. So yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.